The Federal Reserve didn't change interest rate this week, yet mortgages still moved around quite a bit. So what actually happened? The answer teaches us how one of the most important lessons about how mortgage rates really work. Markets started this week encouraged as oil prices fell and geopolitical tension eased. That helped Treasury yields move lower and mortgage bonds improve. Then came Wednesday's Fed meeting. The Fed held rates steady exactly as expected, no change. But during Chairman Kevin Warsh's press conference, investors interpreted some of his comments as a sign that the Fed may be comfortable allowing financial markets to do some of the tightening instead of immediately raising short-term rates, essentially meaning they are okay with the markets controlling how inflation disseminates down to the consumer. This pushed long-term Treasury yields and mortgage rates higher. But then yesterday came. The Fed's preferred inflation gauge, PCE, personal consumption expenditures, came in right where economists projected. While core inflation was actually a little softer, GDP, gross domestic product, also showed the economy slowing gradually. Markets took this as confirmation that inflation continues moving in the right directions, and ultimately yesterday, bonds recovered, meaning mortgage interest rates improved. So what's the biggest takeaway this week? This week proved that mortgage rates don't simply follow the Federal Reserve. They follow how investors interpret the economy. Chair Warsh said something that I think every buyer and realtor should remember. Don't focus on one economic report. Focus on the trends. That's exactly what financial markets spend their entire week doing. Next week, all eyes will be on the employment report, which will be another important piece of the inflation story heading into September. If you found this helpful, subscribe. Every Friday, I explain what's actually moving the mortgage markets in plain English, so you and your clients can make smart, informed financial decisions. As always, let's make it a great Friday and an even greater weekend.